my loved ones? How are you? Y'all see what the day I have. I have tuna salad. I have pasta salad, shrimp pasta salad, and I have ribs. Let me show y'all these ribs. And y'all, my brother made all of this. Y'all, and look at that. And that. Did y'all see them ribs though? Let me make sure y'all get them ribs. Get them in your life. Get them in your life. Right. Let me taste this. Y'all, I was hungry, but I'm always hungry. Got that little Parmesan cheese on top too. How y'all doing? Y'all want to taste? Go ahead, taste the shrimp pasta salad. Well, I got soda right here. That's fair. I just gonna pop on me. It be my luck. And I also got some water, y'all. Y'all, school back in, kids is going. Except we still got the girls. Cause they so tender. You know, I love ribs. Sometimes I like to dip mine in extra. I don't know. I'm extra. Look at that. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh. That right there. I know I like my food hot. It's hot. It's hot and good. Y'all supposed to be doing story time. I gotta come back with the story time. Alright, girls, they just ate some ribs. They somebody they want to do another mukbang. So y'all might see them pretty soon. Cause I just can't tell them no. They be like, you doing a mukbang? You doing a mukbang? I said, yeah. Me want to do one. Pasta salad is so good. Excuse me. Mm. 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 Wow, this is so good. My brother can cook, y'all. Mm. Mm. Now what we going down? Mm. 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 I need that water to go. That's so bad. I need it well. Mm. It's alright. Cause this is. Mm. 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 That's so good. Mm. Shrimp. Mm. 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 Now that was so good. It's nice and tender. Mm. Y'all, what y'all do? Mm. Y'all, I lost the track what I was about to say to y'all. That's how I'm trying to get into this. Mm. 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 Y'all always trying to break apart. Trying to get into this meat. This meat. There we go. See that, y'all? Mm. All that just meat. I'm trying not to eat the back skin of it, but it's so tender. You can just put the whole thing down. Oh, yeah. This is gonna get messy. Mm. 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 That is so good. I don't know what to eat next. I'm trying to find a new hobby. I'm trying to find something to do to occupy some of my time and find some more things to bring to y'all. Excuse me. Find some things to bring to y'all other than mukbangs too. Cause I know y'all like my mukbangs. I want to get this one. Excuse me. I know y'all like the mukbangs. But I want to do some, I know everybody want me to do cooking. So that's going to be one. I'm waiting for I just ordered a tripod stand. So I can record some cooking videos for y'all. But I'm trying to find other stuff. Like maybe some prank. Because I like pranks. I do pranks on my sister all the time. And she just get caught. Like, I would like to record them and show off. Because I think I'm funny. You know? Ooh. Mm. Mm. That pasta for you right up. Maybe I should just had the rib with this one. Because um, hopefully when I start doing the cooking video, me and my brother can do them. Oh, I know he gonna help me record them, but he gonna be in some of them. I'm gonna make him. I'm gonna make him do them, y'all. Oh, that was like sad. That was like all bad right there. No, I ain't gonna eat all this. I'm not. I'm not gonna say some of it. For later. Mm. Mm. That's a lot of meat. Mm. But it's just so tender. See how that is? break apart like that. Well, I can turn this flour. The same flour. I'll eat this one, this big piece one. I'm gonna say that one for later, y'all. That big baby got me full. But I'm gonna finish. Y'all, before I end this video out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be aware of what I upload next. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Y'all feel me? So yeah, I'm on the road to 1K. I'm so glad fall coming, Halloween coming. I don't know what I want to be for Halloween yet, but would y'all like for me to do a Halloween video? Or I'll dress up in my costume and all, or unless it's something that I can dress up at. Cause I be like that. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't even know what I'm gonna be yet for Halloween. But this year been going so fast. This year been going by super fast. So, this tuna salad is the bomb. The bomb.com. Okay. You know, when you start getting full, you start picking out little bits that you know you want to eat. That's me. I start picking out what I know I want. I'm trying to drop out. I'm trying to get away from my mouth. That's all that. Y'all got some video ideas for me. Drop it below in the comment. Let's chat it up in the comments. Y'all know how we do down here. I've been working lately. I usually go right to the comments and answer them like when they reply, but the night shifts are killing me. So when I come in, I sleep. So y'all know I'm gonna get to y'all comments out. Ooh. Y'all know I'm gonna get to y'all comments. I'm full. And I didn't even eat nothing all day, and I'm full. Maybe because it's all this pasta. Ooh, I'm trying to make some room for this. Excuse me. Let me make some room for the night. Them ribs was too good. I must definitely say that rib for later. Say that bread for off camera. I'm gonna tear that thing up. Alright, y'all. Don't forget any video idea, even besides mukbangs too. ASMR, pranks, cooking, which y'all want to see me cooking. I know I'm gonna do that. Show y'all how to make the crab and prayer. I'm gonna do that. Me and my brother gonna do that. I already talked to him about that. So, and I'm just waiting for the tripod. So I can stand that on for y'all. And it can look alright decent. Alright, y'all. I'm done. Woo! It's still frozen, but I got something out there. Y'all, thank y'all for tuning in with me for this mukbang. Ribs, tuna salad, seafood pasta salad. Y'all, I really enjoyed y'all so much. And y'all, don't forget to come back and see your girl, because I be missing y'all. Y'all. Mwah.